Good morning. I'm going to teach you guys how to do your movie poster. I want you guys to first start off with creating a folder on your desktop, and you can do that by clicking on here with your right click, create a new folder. Once you have a new folder, you can name it with your name on it. Just click a couple times. I'll put Mattingly in here. So now I have a folder on my desktop. You guys have done this before, so you'll be able to do that. Then I've searched by one of the categories for my poster that we're going to make, and I'm going to do candy bars. So I did my favorite candy bar, and you can pick which candy bar you like. I kind of like Snickers, so I'm going to drag that over onto my folder. Then when you look in your folder, you will see that you now have your Snickers in there, okay? So once you've got your images, you can search by all of the different kinds of things that are on your list. You have favorite band, artist, that type of stuff. You have your favorite animals and so forth. You're just going to search by all these and create a bunch of images in your folder. Then once you have all your images, you can open up Photoshop, and I'll show you how to bring your image into Photoshop. So let me bring up Photoshop for you. It has in here a lot of the stuff that I've been working on. What you're going to hit this button called Create New. Once you have your Create New, you have a clipboard of your recent sizes that you've done. And we're just going to go ahead and click inches. And we're going to do 11 by 17. Why don't we make our resolution 150 so it's a little bit larger, and you can leave everything else the same. So now your paper should look like that. Let's make this a little smaller. Open up your images, and you start dragging those in. And you'll see that they kind of have this X through them. That's a placement, so you can move that around until you have it where you want it, and then go ahead and hit the Enter button on your keyboard, and that will place it in place. Now you'll see that you have all of this stuff off to the side. If you don't have those things, you're going to need to go up to your Files menu and do Windows and turn on this stuff. So you need your layers. You have your layer button there. I'm going to show you guys how to create some masks, and so that you can mask this out. And you're going to need to draw a selection first. So if I wanted to do just the Snickers logo, I could go in like this, just a rough selection, and I can hit this button right here. You see that button right there? That button is Add Layer Mask. When I click on that, it's going to mask it off, and you'll see up here you have a mask now. So that mask then can be drawn on with black or white. If you add onto that layer mask with black, you're going to remove some of it. If you wanted to blend it out like that, you could. Not saying that looks good, but you could do that. If you felt like you took too much out, switch it around, and now you can add some back in with white. You're drawing onto this layer mask, not onto the image itself. The neat thing with masks are that if you don't like what happened with your mask, you can grab on that mask and you can throw it away, and you're right back to your original image. So nothing gets destroyed behind that image. So you have your image, and you're just going to stack all your images on this page. And then the last thing I'm going to show you right now is the text tool. This is where you're going to click on here, and you'll see it's rather large. I have 700. You set your point size, look smaller, and then you can put in your statement, and you see that it's white right now. We'll select that, and we'll make it a color so I can see it. I'll just do Mattingly is awesome. Then you can use the move tool to move that around where you want to. You want to go back and change the text on it. You're going to double click on it. You can change it. Put an exclamation point in there. And there you go. You got text. You got your images. You know how to do some masking. So you're going to repeat these steps. You're going to create a nice poster for me. fill it up with all kinds of images about yourself. Goes back to that first movie poster of the first project you were working on, the About Me, and you're going to make a movie poster on that About Me. So have at it. Drop all your images that you want in there and create masks. Talk to you later.